What's going on, guys? We're doing some Cobra bumper repair, new Edge Cobra bumper repair today. I'm just standing here taking pictures and videos and stuff. I did donate a fingerprint to the super glue cause, well, JB Super Weld for plastic. I'm pretty convinced it's the same thing as the Gorilla super glue I have. Same package, just like relabeled. Anyway, Antonio, how's it looking here, man? What we got going on?
I got my finger stuck to the bumpers, but I mean...
Be one with the car, Antonio.
The bracket's there.
I like it. I like it. So this is a true OG OEM Cobra bumper. You know, so it's like super special. The previous owner ripped the bumper off and actually like broke some of these tabs off on. Yeah, instead of just like unbolting it, he like Hercules ripped it off. Hercules. Anyway, so we're trying to repair that with these and some clampy boys and a Jello box, you know, for support with packaging. So it's got that firmness behind it that you need. Well, we've got a couple Red Bulls. We're not sponsored, but you know, we're energized and motivated. Mustang stuff. Mustang Friday. What's everyone else doing?
What you are. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love.
What conflict with the color? What are you
I love
thinking?
it, but it needs a little more boom.
A little more boom.
Just a little more boom.
Talk about that candy.
Maybe not candy.
Some super blue candy on it. I don't know. With the sunlight hitting it, it looks kind of nice. Looks pretty flossy under the camera anyway. I like it. If we could get something close to that, just give it a good freshie. Oh, you know what I think it needs, Antonio? It needs a little bit of blue inside these wheels, man. Like the little, like, I don't know, something in here. Maybe lug nuts or something like.
I want the anodized blue lug nuts.
Yeah, I would do some blue lugs in there. Maybe that'd be
my plan.
pretty. Might be just enough in there.
Anodized blue would be real close to what it is.
Exactly. It'd be cool. How's this coming? Is this thing almost stuck yet? No. This glue so long it turned white.
I think it's because we put it on so thick.
Oh yeah, put it on thick. And we're back. It's the next day. Work has been completed on the Cobra bumper here. Antonio has done some nice little painty work here. Got that looking quite nice. And we've just come over and riveted this bracket back on. And everything looks great, man. How you feeling about that? Mustang stuff, dude. Heck yeah. Got the fog brackets out. Somebody had broken all the tabs off of them and had it like this cover just drilled from the backside, so like screws were coming out at you. I guess Cobra fangs. What's up with that? Why'd you take them off, Antonio? Cobra fangs. Had little screws just popping straight out of that stuff. It definitely did not look the nicest. But hey, we're saving a OEM Cobra bumper here, people. That's what it's about, right? So, Cobra bumper's fixed. It's going to be going back on the car, and then it's going to probably come back off because we got to put a motor in the car. We also got to take a motor out of the car. That's another day. Thanks for watching with us. Say bye, Antonio.
Until next time.
He didn't say bye, Antonio.